The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G for Metro.T-Mobile. So I am surprised that Metro got the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. I'm surprised that they got this one. I'm surprised they got it. But anyways, it is now available. So if you guys want a Galaxy S20 for cheap, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is for you. So it does have 5G, of course. It has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display and 4,500 mAh battery. The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is $699.99. So $700 for a Galaxy S20 with license specs. So if you guys want a Galaxy S20 for cheap, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is for you. So there's the front of the phone there. It does look like the Galaxy S20, of course. Yeah, I don't know why it only shows the front here, but it is what it is. So it says here, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G is packed with all the fan favorites, with the fan favorite features of a Galaxy series device at an even more accessible price, with a beautiful 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen, smooth 120Hz refresh rate display, bold color options, pro-grade triple rear cameras, 32-megapixel selfie camera, and an all-day 4,500 mAh intelligent battery that charges up in minutes. The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G delivers uncompromised innovation. Experience that new Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G and all its awesome features on the largest nationwide 5G network. So Metro has been getting a lot of 5G phones lately. They've been getting a lot of 5G phones lately, so it's really good. I think it's like the only carrier there is getting a lot of 5G phones is Metro. Beastman's not doing nothing, and Cricket's really not doing nothing about 5G phones right now. But Metro is killing it right now with 5G phones. So, of course, the main selling point is its 5G connectivity, 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, 3 cameras in the back at 12 megapixels, 8 megapixels, and 12 megapixels. A 32 megapixel front-facing camera, 128 gigabytes of RAM, and 6 gigabytes of RAM. So pretty nice. Memory, still more, so you can create more with expandable memory. So you do have a micro SD card slot as well, so take advantage of that. Also, super fast charging, hours of power from minutes of charge with super fast charging, all-day intelligent battery power to last through your day with intelligent battery. Triple pro-grade cameras, take game-changing pics and videos. Take game-changing pics and video with the triple lens camera and 30 times optical zoom. Night mode. Capture crisp images and vibrant video with night mode and create high quality content in low light, no flash required. Single take AI. One tap capture multiple images and videos all at once. Lenses, effects, and filters capture the best of every moment every time. Just a little video for you guys to check out if you guys are interested. So yeah, specs on this phone are really good. So you have 128 gigabytes of storage. You do have a micro SD card slot up to 1 terabyte and 6 gigabytes of RAM. 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, 32 megapixel front-facing camera, 3 cameras in the back at 12 megapixels, 8 megapixels, and 12. I think one was a telephoto camera, or one is an ultra-wide camera as well, so pretty cool. 1 terabyte micro SD card expansion, mobile hotspot, 32 hours of talk time, Android 10 with One UI 2.0. Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, which is nice. 6.7 ounces in weight. If you guys want the accessories for the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, they're here. I suggest you guys go to Amazon and get your accessories for the Galaxy S20 FE edition on Amazon. So they're cheaper, so yeah. So do you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE edition? It's now at Metro got T-Mobile for $699.99. Like I said, I was surprised that Metro got this one, which is good. So if you guys want the Galaxy S20 for cheap, the Galaxy S20 FE edition is for you at $699.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.